Okay, so me and Leon, we were laying here and I was playing on my phone, and all of a sudden I had to sneeze. So I go, and I sneeze, and he gives me this look, and he goes, so I'm still playing on my phone, and I'm like, oh, and I could feel him staring at me. So I look at him, and he's still, and so I start laughing. He gets up and walks out of my room. Never comes back to that night. It was so funny. Like, bitch, did you really just sneeze on me? And now you're just laughing? Oh, hell no. And he just leaves. Isn't that right, Leon? Where's your head? There's your head. Hey. No, is that your head? Nope. Yep, that's what I had to tell you.